Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Good morning, friends. This is Royal Tree, and happy monsoon, happy rainy season actually, because the rains have started, guys, and today is my first ride in this rainy season. And main happiest moment today is the celebration, the event, and the celebration of the anniversary. And it's the anniversary of the RID club whom I ride with, the Royal Indian Devotes. It is completing its successful 3 years. So today we are going for a short ride to Neril. It's not a go and come back ride. It is actually, we have booked a resort. The club has booked a resort. So we'll be going to the resort. We'll be having the event over there for the whole day. And yes, in the evening, the party. Also, I would like to tell you one thing, that I have changed my mic. I am not much clear that whether I may sound good or whether my audio may be good or bad, but still I am trying my best to keep it clear. It's been very long that I have not vlogged, I have not made a video. So yes, excited. The meetup point for today's ride is Datta Snacks at Panvel at around 7:30 to 8, and it is 7 o'clock in the morning. As you know, I am always late, but I think I can make out. So today I am using the Dirt Sack tank bag, and I'm also wearing the rain liners. It's not yet raining, but still it is good to take precautions. So I am taking precautions while riding, because when we ride with the club, we cannot stop in the between to weigh our gears again and all that stuff. So it is better wear it first, then ride. Or basically, I'm the most happiest guy today because I'm carrying a bit luggage. I was just tense. मैं सोच रहा था कि बारिश का मौसम है, if I'll carry a sack bag or a backpack, how can I protect it from the rain? Just couple of clothes. तो मैंने क्या किया, I packed in one polythene bag. Then that polythene bag I kept it in my duffel bag. Then that duffel bag I put it into my rear box. Now it has become totally waterproof. I don't know about this tank bag, how it will be, because I am using it for the first time in the rains. It has the rain protection, but still. Chalo, I'll just refuel first and then I'll get back to you. So guys, done with the refueling. Actually, I'm really very excited, guys. The excitement is coming out. So yes, one more thing I would like to tell you guys, today I won't be shooting much on the road. I'll be taking few parts because I'm not having the extra battery for my GoPro. I have one extra secondary action camera, but it's a China, which is of no use. It hardly works for an hour and a half. So I'll be utilizing my main battery of GoPro to shoot for the whole event, and I'll do upload some good pictures also because I have the SLR. I've taken the SLR of my friend so that I can click some nice pictures, and I'll also make a short video of I'll make a short slide video of it. Sorry guys, देखा एक्साइटमेंट इतना है कि बात करने का कुछ ये नहीं होता है. So guys, just reached Chembur, so I'll be taking a right from here, from the Chheda Nagar towards Mankur. I usually prefer this route because it's a totally highway, and if I'll have taken the Suman Nagar flyover towards Chembur and all those, I would have found lots of signals, traffic jams and all stupid things in the morning because I'm already late. मेरे को जल्दी पहुंचना है. I don't know how fast I can make it out, but yes, I have to make it out in time. So that's why I am raving on 100, 120. So let's hope for the best. देखते क्या होता है. So guys, just cross this Trombe. Yes, sorry for the habit of fumbling, but I have just crossed Trombe towards Vashi Toll Naka. Let's see, I can see one more rider ahead on Royal Enfield. I don't know whether he is from the same group or not. क्या वो, लेकिन जो भी है देखते. It's the without traffic route, not like that. That route has, the height is very low. You can just see the height. Oh, that's the reason most of the vehicles don't come here. They don't want to take any kind of risk, but we prefer to. So right now I am on the Vashi flyover. So guys, just reaching Belapur, and now I can see one more rider riding ahead, maybe from the same group. I won't be going up, I'll be going from this road. I take this road it is better. It is the fastest road. Only we have to be careful, that's it. See, just a normal twist. And the turn comes. To my right is the Konkan Bhavan, the main government office of New Mumbai. So, sorry, I am right now in Belapur, and it will take more 15 minutes for me to reach if I don't get any kind of a traffic over there. Because ये टाइम पे सुबह एन पनवेल खंडा कॉलोनी के पास थोड़ा ट्रैफिक होता है. सो आई हैव टू जंपल इट एंड आई हैव टू गो. So guys, this is the Kalamboli circle. I'm just approaching Kalamboli circle. I'm just approaching Kalamboli circle, yes. I have to take right towards the Mumbai-Pune road so that I can make on time. I can be on time to the Datta Snacks in Panvel. Wow, just look at that beast. It's the Harley Davidson. I think it's the Fat Boy. It is. Over here only. Maybe. I have no idea. I think so. I think this traffic jam हमारी वजह से ही हुआ है. Yes, yes. Oh, let me check. The formation is good. I asked for the others, but few riders have gone ahead. So maybe they'll be meeting at one point or directly to the resort. I don't know. But yes, whatever it is, guys, just see the greenery everywhere. You can just see everywhere. It's totally green. कुछ ही दिनों में इतना हरियाली. Pleasant. Really a great feeling riding in such climate, on such roads where there is greenery on both the sides. Guys, we have reached Neril, but we don't know exact where we are. And it has also started raining. So guys, see, I just met the motor blogger Sid. He is right ahead of me. So he has also joined for this event today. We have entered in some village in Neril. No idea about it. But still, the pilots are ahead. They are guiding us the way. And we are still struggling finding the resort. लेकिन जितना अंदर होगा गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, उतना ही वहाँ पे मज़ा ज़्यादा होगा. बिकॉज ओनली यू एंड ओनली यू, नो वन एल्स. हो है होसी, दैट इज़ नॉट होसी, आई थिंक क्रॉस ब्रीड बोलते हैं उसको. It's good to ride on such roads actually, because both the sides you can just see. Oh wow, what is this villa? Both the side you can just see the trees, jungle. Wow, just see that. I don't know whether you can see it clearly, but trust me guys, fogs on the Matharan hills. So guys, we have just reached the Smita Resort. Me and my friend Mandar. So we are just heading down. There's some nice music going on. Edwin the Marsman. So guys, here we are at the playground. We are gonna have some games to this event. The bikes have been parked in the line.
All are classics because classic is only can win. Oh, there is one standard 500 as well.
So one standard 500 and 5 a classic. Now let's see who's gonna win the race.
We are here. tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Good morning, guys. It was a very exciting night. You can just see that I'm so tired, but I'll tell you one thing, the climate over here is just, see, क्या होता है ऐसे क्लाइमेट में कितना भी थको, थकान भाग जाती है. And it's really true. The climate over here is very awesome and it is raining heavily from last night. The rain has not yet stopped for a second and it is still raining. I will end my vlog over here because I don't think while going back I'll be able to shoot. So I'll just end my vlog over here. So if any queries, please do comment in the comment box down. And मैंने आपको जैसे बोला, there was motovlogger sit along with me. I'll put his link in my description. Do check his video. He's a good motovlogger. And one more thing, I would like to thank RID because कल रात को उन्होंने मुझे जो सरप्राइज दिया, that was a really big thing for me. Because I was not expecting कि मुझे इतना मान मिलेगा as a motovlogger. So RID, thank you a lot. Thanks a lot. Get to give the thumbs up, share my videos, do comment, and the last, don't forget to subscribe.